Vipul Vaishnav completed his BBA and worked in the educational field for 2 years. Then he decided to switch his career to the IT sector, so he joined STAD Solution for software testing training. Let's hear from him.
Hello, myself Vipul Vaishnav. I have done my BBA from Gujarat University in 2021. I have experience in banking sector more than 2 years. During my current job, I want to change my career in IT sector, so I got suggestion about the STAD solution from my one of the friend, and I research, review and about the STAD solution via internet. During my training, I learned how to create test scenario, test cases, FRD, BRD, traceability matrix, agile model in the company. And thank you Kashyapi ma'am and Richa ma'am and STAD Solution for giving me this opportunity.